The following review has been approved by Lord Carnage and the best of Classic Game Room. Welcome to Classic Game Room for a big review of this giant controller. It's the MadCatz Guilty Gear Xrd Sign Arcade Fightstick Tournament Edition 2 for your PlayStation 3 or PlayStation 4. This thing is really heavy. Here's Filmmaking 101, kids. How do you review a controller for 5 minutes? Splice in footage of a dog. Because dogs make everything better. Right? Chicken? Waffles? There you go. You know what's up. What's up, in addition to waffles, is the MadCatz Arcade Fightstick Tournament Edition 2. This one emblazoned with the awesome Guilty Gear Xrd Sign logo and artwork. I've also seen this with a more basic design, or sporting the Ultra Super Hyper Alpha Remix Street Fighter 4 artwork, whatever version they're up to now. This one will work on PlayStation 3 or PlayStation 4. You can also get it for Xbox One. But seriously, how do you review a controller for 5 minutes? Because basically, it's good. And for the price of it, it better be. While MadCatz may be known for putting out a lot of questionable aftermarket products, this isn't one of them. This is one of their top shelf products, and from what I can tell, you get your money's worth. This thing is great. It's not wireless. You connect this to your PS3 or PS4 with a detachable USB cord. And it's extremely heavy, like it's filled with lead bricks. It also has a non-slip surface on the back. Here's a look at the underside, and the option/start and select buttons are on the reverse side of the unit. But hey, what are those hinges for? Well, watch this. There's a button on the front that, when pushed really hard, will open up the unit, revealing... Holy crap, is that Truxton? How does that game get everywhere? It's like magic. Speaking of magic, how is this so heavy when it doesn't look like there's all that much in there? If you want to open this up and do maintenance or swap out your buttons or joystick, you can do that. And you can put your controller cord in there and hide other things if you have things to hide. Here's the Tournament Edition 2 next to the NES Advantage for scale. Who has the advantage now, dog? I've played with the Tournament Edition 2 a lot in the last couple weeks, used it in the Dead or Alive 5 Last Round review for PlayStation 5, and for playing JoJo's Bizarre Adventure All-Star Battle on PlayStation 3. It's a great controller. I'm not going to be able to go back to the standard gamepad for fighting games ever again. I think the arcade stick here is actually better than all of the joysticks and controllers in my real arcade games. Except for maybe Arkanoid. You definitely cannot play Arkanoid with this. If I have any complaints at all, it's that the nice reflective surface. This place is a circus. The surface gets fingerprinted easily. Oh no, you don't. Oh yes you do. I'd like to say the TE2 makes me better at fighting games, but it really doesn't. I still suck. However, it's more fun to play them. Feels more like an actual arcade, and it looks really cool. Whenever people enter the room, they immediately admire the controller before they're mauled by the dog. I found it's comfortable to use on the table or sitting in my lap. It's a badass controller. You'll be seeing this a lot in upcoming reviews for fighting games and arcade-style games on PS3 and PlayStation 4. I hope it works with the PlayStation 5. Victory! What'd she say? Sadly, it is not compatible with Atari 2600. I've got a Classic Game Room shout out and thank you to send to Kelvin once again from Cuba, Missouri. Thank you for sending Giant Controller to the show. Ironically, I have not used it to play Guilty Gear Xrd Sign yet, though. I'll have to do that this weekend. The Tournament Edition 2. It won't make you better at fighting games, it'll just make you look cooler while you're playing them. There you go. That is it. That is the biggest arcade fight stick here at Classic Game Room. Nothing could possibly outdo that one, except maybe this. So now what we gotta do is put these both together and somehow play some Robotron 2084 with them. The Best of Classic Game Room is now on DVD, Blu-ray, and Hyper Laser Vision album set. Well, if this one has a copy of Truxton on the inside, what's that one have? Wow, ain't that something?